You're going to learn exactly how to set up your own bio link using Canva. By far, this is the easiest that I've ever set up. I've set up using my website, I've set up using a landing page, I've set up using Linktree, and this by far is the most appealing, pretty, easiest, aesthetically pleasing, whatever word you want to say, to use and set up. And stay tuned till the end because I'm going to give you 3 ways you can actually mask that really long link it gives you, so it's really short for when you plug it into your Instagram website link option. You can also use the same bio link for other social media platforms if that's what you want to do as well. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Christina Spoor. Make sure you subscribe because I release a video every week all about growing your small business online. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. All right, first things first, go to Canva, then under the search, type in bio link, and you'll see it say bio link website. You click on this, and then you can see it already has templates that are actually done for you that you can actually set up on your own. But I actually wanted to set up my own, and I'm going to show you how to set up your own as well. And then what you'll do is you'll come here to background. So you can pick any backgrounds that you want to add to it, whatever fits your brand and whatever you want to be doing. And of course, if you don't have any brand colors or don't really know your branding, I'm curious. I have a branding kit I like to refer everything to with all my colors and all my text. If you want to learn how to make one yourself, let me know in the comments and I can definitely make a video for you showing you how to do that. And then I'm going to come into elements and let's type in rectangle. So you can see there's lots of rectangle options for you to pick from, and we're just going to scroll and see which one we like. Okay, this one could be cool. I like that because it has an outline to it. And this is how I actually like to test and see what works best and what I like. Oh, no, not that one. I really like, this is the one I did for mine, and I really like how it actually looks. Okay, and then we'll also just do the simple square because I'll make a simple rectangle with it as well and see which one I like best. Then I go to, let's see, let's do border. Let's do this one. Something real simple. Too clear. I don't like how that looks. Let's see how this looks. No, because the marble makes it look so elegant. So this is the exact process you'll go through. It's something that doesn't happen instantly. Like you do put things together and see what works and what doesn't work, and then you decide what you like best. Let me just do rose gold. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like these stars. Let's duplicate it. Okay, and then I kind of like just the simple rectangle since I'm going for just like a really simple, elegant look. I'm going to delete these ones because I'm not big in the vibe and keep this one. We'll just keep it pink. And we'll actually position that to the back so I can work with this rectangle. So here I'll have one link, duplicate it, 2 link, duplicate it, 3 link. However many links you want to create, you can create. Then I come to elements and type in like a website and hit this little icon, shrink it, and then this is when you can create your socials and add them as well at the bottom. See if you want Instagram, your Instagram link, Facebook. Can I change the color? Yes. I'm gonna go black. There we go. There we go. So then I simply take these, and since this is together, I just hit the icon and hit shift and click on the icons I want to group and hit group. So this means I can just drag them everywhere and group them together, and I want to make it smaller, but I have to zoom in to do this. So I'll make it like smaller like this. So then we want to do like maybe add your header image. So then you can go to elements and type in frame. And you can see all these different frame options that you can use for your design that you want to be doing. And you can just do a simple circle one if that's what you want. You can do multiple images, whatever it is that, you know, you want to be doing for your brand. And then you just go to uploads. And this is when you upload your photo. So I'm just going to do one of the photos I have right front and center. You click on it, double click to enlarge it and fit it to the screen however you would like. Okay, so you can see I kind of have the template done for it, and it's pretty easy to do. And then all you do is come in, pick your text, whatever text is to your brand, do that, and then say maybe like YouTube videos. Make it smaller, then you just duplicate it. Maybe say Facebook group, join Facebook group, duplicate it, product, like a certain product you want to put on there. And let's see, just shrink this just a little so it fits. So because I want them all to be the same size, because I like it with the same size, I see 61 fits, so I'm just going to come in here and make this 61. Oh, it said 1. Oh. 61. Make this 61 as well. Okay, so you can see everything fits wonderfully. Then all you do, you come in, click this, add the link. And this is how you apply it. So I'm going to just show you an example here. I'm going to add the link. And then I also add the link to this square. And you see the link right there. So that way both are clickable. And then here, the underline, I don't like the underline, I just highlight it and hit Control U. So then it goes back to normal, but it's clickable. Same thing for these icons. You click on each icon, add the link, and add where you want them to go to, okay? So what I'm gonna do is then publish the website. And it's just a simple presentation, scrolling, classic navigation, or standard. And I simply like the single page site scrolling. So if you want to have multiple pages, that's completely up to you. But it's easiest if you just do one for this bio link because you don't want to overwhelm people. You want people to go to a specific spot. So then I'll open website. And voila, you have your beautiful website done. And you can see that you can hit the video and it'll go to your link. Voila. And then I'm going to actually show you, you take this website link, you copy it. All right, so 3 ways that you can mask it. You just simply copy, Control C, and then you can do it through bit.ly. This is a link shortener you might have seen. You can do it through snips. I like snips. I don't know if you can do it with bit.ly. I don't really use bit.ly as much. But snips I think is really great because when you do put the link in, you can actually change the name of it on the end. But my favorite way is on my website, and it's through Pretty Links plugin. And it's because I, have my own domain name set up my website, and within there I can mask my links. So let me just show you right here. You simply add new bio link test. Okay, so I'm going to control it in there and then change the end bio link, and I'm put test because I don't want to mess it up with my bio link that I have. And then all you do is you type in whatever link shortener you decide to use. And voila, you have your own customized, easy bio link. And I'm going to actually show you on the website what it looks like. So the Christina Spohr Access bio link test. And voila, you can see you have your own unique, pretty bio link that you just created. Super easy. You can add so many different elements. It's clickable. All right, I hope you learned how to set up your bio link using Canva and that you also learned how to mask it as well. If you did and you really enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and leave a comment down below. I'm wondering how easy you thought it was and how much you like how it looks. And of course, if you haven't signed up for Canva yet, I'll leave the link down below for you. If you use my link and you do sign up for the paid membership, I do get a commission for it and you will help support this channel, so that would be greatly appreciated. And I will really be releasing next week actually 2 videos, and it'll be about creating carousel posts because I have 2 different ways I like to do it, and I want to show you want to give you 2 different options so you can pick which one you like best and you think is easiest. So subscribe if you haven't and stay tuned for those 2 videos next week. All right. Bye. Have a wonderful week or month whenever you're watching this video. Bye.